Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. I request everyone to kindly settle in as we begin shortly. To commence this auspicious ceremony, we invoke the blessing of Goddess Saraswati, the epitome of wisdom, knowledge, and enlightenment. Let us begin with the virtual lamp lighting and Saraswati Vandana. Technical team, please proceed.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
May
या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा।
May the divine light guide our thought with justice, integrity, and excellence. We now proceed to floral welcome of our esteemed chief guest. I request Honorable Vice Chancellor of Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, Indore, to kindly extend a warm virtual floral welcome to our chief guest. Technical team, kindly proceed for the welcome slide. We are truly honored by your gracious presence, ma'am. The Moot Court competition stands as a platform that blends legal acumen with the courtroom articulation, nurturing the advocate and leaders of tomorrow. To brief us further about this event, I invite Dr. Ashutosh Beragi, Moot Court competition convener and coordinator, Sri Vaishnav Institute of Law, Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, Indore.
Thank you, Surabhi ma'am. Esteemed Chief Guest, Srimati S. Vinitaji, District Judge and Registrar General, National Green Tribunal, Principal Bench, New Delhi. Honorable Vice Chancellor of our University, Professor Dr. Yogesh Chandra Goswamiji, respected Deans, HOIs, HODs, and officers of the University, guests invited to judge the moot rounds, fellow convener of the event, Dr. Swati Dubey Mishra, coordinators of the event, Ms. Akanksha Surana and Ms. Nandini Bansod, organizing committee members of the faculty and staff, participants, and dear students. A very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 10th edition of the National Level Moot Court Competition organized jointly by Sri Vaishnav Institute of Law and Sri Vaishnav Institute of Forensic Science under Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. This occasion is truly special for us because today we are not just beginning another competition, we are celebrating years of commitment to quality legal education, rigorous training, and the spirit of advocacy. When this competition was first started in 2018, it was driven by a simple idea to provide law students with a platform where they could think critically, argue persuasively, and engage with the law in its practical form. Over the years, this initiative has grown into one of the respected moot court competitions at the national level. Hundreds of students have participated in the past editions, and many of them are now successful lawyers, judicial officers, academicians, and policy professionals. That legacy speaks for itself. Mooting, as all you know, is much more than an academic exercise. It is often the first real taste of what happens inside a courtroom. Students learn how to research with discipline, prepare arguments with clarity, speak with confidence, and respond to the challenging questions under the pressure. It teaches teamwork, patience, composure, and the ability to think on one's feet. These are qualities that stay with you far beyond law school and shape you into professionals with conviction and integrity. This year, we are proud to host 29 institutions from different parts of the country, making this one of our most diverse and vibrant editions so far. I extend a warm welcome to all the participating colleges and universities. The participating colleges and university are as follows: Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur; Symbiosis Law School, Pune; Birla School of Law, Birla Global University, Bhubaneswar; GD Goenka University, Delhi NCR; SRM University, Sonipat; Raffles University, Nimrana; Apex University, Jaipur; Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan University, Tamil Nadu; Institute of Law and Legal Studies, Sage University, Indore; University Institute of Legal Studies, Punjab University; Xavier Law School, Exim University, Odisha; Mar Gregorius College of Law, Chennai; Lords Universal College of Law, Mumbai; Nalanda College of Law, Mumbai; MKPM RV Institute of Legal Studies, Bengaluru; Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College of Law, Andhra Pradesh; Christ Academy Institute of Law, Bengaluru; Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal; Chandra Prabhu Jain College of Higher Studies, Delhi NCR; School of Excellence in Law, Tamil Nadu; Dr. Ambedkar Law University, Chennai; ITM University, Gwalior; Christ University, Pune Lavasa Campus; JSS Law College, Mysore; College of Law for Women, AMS Hyderabad; Presidency University, Bengaluru; Prestige Institute of Management and Research, Department of Law, Indore; Government New Law College, Indore; School of Law, Devi Allai Vishyavidhalaya, Indore; and Indore Institute of Law, Indore. Dear teams, your participation brings great energy and academic richness to the competition, and we are delighted to have each one of us with you here. This year, the Moot proposition is based on a hypothetical case that deals with the extramarital affairs vis-a-vis personal and criminal laws and the complexities that arise at the intersection of these domains. It is a theme that challenges students to examine evolving social realities, constitutional principles, and the shifting contours of the criminal jurisprudence with sensitivity and precision. The proposition has been thoughtfully designed to reflect some of the pressing issues of the contemporary law. It, it will test the participants' ability to apply constitutional reasoning, interpret statutes, and navigate procedural nuances with depth and clarity. Over the next 3 days, you will go through the preliminary rounds, quarterfinals, semifinals, and the final round on the 6th of December, assessed by experienced academicians and legal practitioners. I am certain that debates and arguments that unfold will be both insightful and inspiring. It is indeed a privilege for us to have our honorable chief guest present on this occasion. Her exemplary judicial career and unwavering commitment to the principles of justice offer a guiding light to every aspiring lawyer. The presence of experienced experts and evaluators also adds great academic value to the competition. Their insights and observations throughout the rounds will enrich the learning experience of all participants and elevate the overall standard of this edition. A competition of this scale naturally reflects the strength of the institution behind it. The consistent guidance of our Honorable Vice Chancellor has given clear direction to this edition, while the deans, heads, officers of the university have ensured that every academic and administrative detail aligns seamlessly with the spirit of the event. The planning and coordination undertaken by the coordinators and organizing team over the past months have added depth and structure to the program. Our faculty members have contributed through their academic insight and mentorship, and the energy and discipline of the student volunteers have brought life to the entire setup. Together, their combined efforts have shaped the character and quality of this 10th edition. I would like to say to all the participants that you are here because you have worked hard, prepared sincerely, and carry with you the curiosity and determination that define a true law student. As you enter the rounds, remember that this competition is as much about learning as it is about performing. Take every question as an opportunity, every argument as a responsibility, and every round as a lesson. Whether you win or not, the experience you gain will stay with you for years to come. With these words and with great pride, we officially inaugurate the 10th edition of the national level moot court competition. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. It is now my privilege to invite our moot court competition patron, Dr. Yogesh C. Goswami, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Shri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, Indore, to deliver the welcome address. Sir, we request you to kindly address the gathering.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Yeah. Respected Chief Guest, Srimati S. Vinita ji, District Judge and Registrar General, National Green Tribunal, Principal Bench, New Delhi. Learned members of legal fraternity, dear participants, faculty members across the country. I have seen many participants from different places. A very warm welcome to all of you. It's indeed a moment of great pride and joy for Sri Vaishnav Vidyapit Vishwavidyalaya, as today we are inaugurating the 10th edition of National Moot Court Competition 2025, which is jointly organized by Sri Vaishnav Institute of Law and Sri Vaishnav Institute of Forensic Science. This decade-long journey of our moot court competition reflects our university firm commitment to nurture advocacy, critical reasoning, research acumen, and professional ethics among budding legal minds. Over the years, this platform has given onto a respected national arena where students learn to argue fearlessly, think judiciously, and practice to spirit of law. It's a matter of great pleasure and honor for us that Srimati S. Vinita ji is with us. She has a long experience of and distinguished service as District Judge and Registrar General, National Green Tribunal. Your profound understanding of judicial processes, environment law, and administrative justice inspired thousands across the nation. Your presence truly enrich this academic gathering. So welcome, I welcome Vinita ji. To all participants joining us from different states, institutions, I congratulate you for stepping into intellectually rigorous and professionally enriching experience. I believe Moot Court is not just a competition, it's a laboratory of learning where your preparation, clarity of thoughts, articulation, and presence of mind will be tested. I encourage you all to enjoy the process, respect your peers, and uphold the dignity of the courtroom at every step. I also appreciate the dedicated efforts of coordinators of SVIL and SVFS, Ashutosh Bairagi ji, and the faculty members, student coordinators, and entire organizing committee who have meticulously planned both the online and offline rounds, the detailed schedule as reflected in the program document. As we enter in the 10th edition, let us reaffirm our belief that law is not merely a profession, but a responsibility to uphold justice, fairness, and constitutional values. I am confident that this year competition will set new benchmark in academic excellence and ethical legal practices. With this word, I once again extend my heartfelt welcome and wish all participants, chief guests, and the best of wishes for meaningful challenging and enriching moot court experience. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and motivating address. We now move to the introduction of today's esteemed chief guest, an exemplary judicial leader and visionary in legal environmental governance. I invite Professor Nandini Bansod, Coordinator Moot Court Competition, Assistant Professor Sri Vaishnav Institute of Forensic Science, to introduce our respected chief guest, Mrs. S. Vinita, District Judge and Registrar General, National Green Tribunal, Principal Bench, New Delhi.
Thank you, ma'am. It's my honor to introduce Mrs. S. Vinita, Registrar General of National Green Tribunal, Principal Bench, New Delhi, as our chief guest. Mrs. Vinita joined the Madhya Pradesh Judicial Service in 2007 as Civil Judge, Junior Division, and was subsequently promoted to Civil Judge, Senior Division in 2012. In 2018, she served as the Chief Judicial Magistrate, showcasing exemplary judicial and administrative capability. She was elevated as a district judge in October 2018. Throughout her 16 years of judicial service, she has handled a wide range of civil and criminal matters, including land acquisition, arbitration, POSCO, heinous offences, motor vehicle claims, and several other complex case categories. She has actively promoted alternative dispute resolution mechanism and successfully settled numerous matters. As Secretary, District Legal Service Authority, Mrs. Vinita worked extensively on the Victim Compensation Scheme, contributing to policy implementation and the development of specialized software for the scheme administration. Her efforts significantly strengthened access to justice for victim and vulnerable communities. From April 2022, she served as a faculty member at Madhya Pradesh State Judicial Academy, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur. She contributed to academic development, prepared articles and learning material for the academic bi-monthly magazine Jyoti Journal, and conducted training programs for judicial officers. On 27th July 2024, Mrs. S. Vinita assumed charge as the Registrar General, National Green Tribunal Principal Bench, New Delhi, continuing her commitment to excellence in judicial administration and environmental justice. We are privileged to have you as our chief guest today, ma'am. Thank you. Over to you, ma'am.
We are deeply privileged to have with us Mrs. S. Vinita, a distinguished judicial authority whose contribution to environmental justice and judicial administration serve as an inspiration to us all. Ma'am, we are honored to invite you to deliver the chief guest address. To virtual address, ma'am. Virtual dice is yours, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Bansod and Dr. Girdhar. Dr. Yogesh C. Goswami, Vice Chancellor, Sri Vaishnav Vidyapeeth Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. Dr. Ashutosh Beragi and Dr. Swati Dubey Mishra, learned coordinators. Distinguished judges of the competition, esteemed guests, faculty members and organizers, dear participants and students, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. It is indeed an honor and privilege to appear before this gathering of brilliant young minds at the national level Moot Court Competition 2025, organized by Sri Vaishnav Institute of Law and Sri Vaishnav Institute of Forensic Sciences. I must emphasize this that today I'm sharing my thoughts with all of you, not as a judge, but as a devotee and eternal learner of law. I must say that these competitions represent far more than academic exercises. They are indeed training grounds for the next generation of advocates, jurists, policymakers, and guardians of justice. Today, as I look at the motivated students, I see not only just participants, but the future of India's legal fraternity. Let's remind ourselves something very fundamental. A lawyer's duty is not merely to win cases. A lawyer's duty is to serve justice, protect rights, and uphold the Constitution. In a world that is increasingly complex, where technology reshapes society and new legal questions emerge every day, the country needs lawyers who are thoughtful, informed, and courageous. Lawyers who see the law not as a weapon, but as a tool for building a just society. These moot courts are one of the finest traditions of Indian legal education. It teaches you what no textbook can fully capture: the courage to stand up and speak, the discipline to listen, interpret, and respond, the skill to reason with clarity, precision, and dignity, and above all, the understanding that every argument is ultimately in the service of justice. In these competitions, you learn to think like lawyers, but more importantly, to act like officers of the court: ethical, responsible, and respectful. What you experience here, the pressure of questioning, the necessity of research, the thrill of oral advocacy, is just a miniature version of what awaits many of you in the real courtrooms. You will learn that a well-reasoned argument can be more powerful than any show of force, and that the ability to persuade lies not in the loudness, but in logic. This competition teaches you the humility, because even the strongest arguments can be met with tougher questions. It teaches you resilience because you must stand firm even when you are challenged. And it teaches you excellence because every word counts. Today, whether you win or not, you have already achieved something significant by being here. You have pushed your boundaries, your intellectual limitations. You have stepped out of your comfort zones. You have emerged with complex legal issues with maturity and depth. And always remember, trophies shine for a year, skills shine for a lifetime. Carry forward the confidence, curiosity, discipline that Moot Court has instilled in you. A special word of appreciation is indeed owed to the mentors, coaches, and teachers who guided these young minds. Your dedication to nurturing legal scholarship is a service not only to your student, but to the nation. And to the organizers, your teamwork and precision reflect the discipline of the legal system itself. Thank you for creating this platform. As a future advocate, I urge you to remain lifelong learners. Read widely, think critically, and argue respectfully. But above all, keep alive your commitment to fairness and justice. The future of legal system depends on how seriously you take your role. And from what I see today, I have no doubt that our future is in capable hands. I wish all the participants very best, not only for this competition, but for the remarkable journey ahead of you. May this competition continue to inspire and excellence for years to come. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your enlightening and insightful address. To express gratitude and formally conclude the inaugural session, I invite Dr. Swati Dubey Mishra, Moot Court Competition Convener and Coordinator, Sri Vaishnav Institute of Forensic Science, to present the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Madam Survi. Respected Chief Guest, Mrs. S. Vinita, District Judge and Registrar General, National Green Tribunal, New Delhi. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Yogesh Chandra Goswami. MCC Convener and Coordinator, Law Institute, Dr. Ashutosh Bairagi. Distinguished dignitaries, deans, HOIs, HODs, faculty members, coordinators of MMCC, Professor Nandini and Professor Akanksha, Namaskar. A very warm good morning to all of you. On behalf of Sri Vaishnav Institute of Law and Sri Vaishnav Institute of Forensic Science, it is my honor to present a vote of thanks for the inaugural ceremony of the national level Moot Court Competition MCC 2025. First of all, our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mrs. S. Vinita ma'am. Ma'am, thank you. Your address has provided meaningful direction for the sessions ahead, and your words have ignited clarity, purpose, and inspiration for all participants. Thank you very much, ma'am. We express our sincere thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Yogesh Chandra Goswami ji for his guiding vision, constant support, and his encouragement towards all academic initiatives. A special appreciation to Dr. Ashutosh Bairagi, convener of MCC 2025 and coordinator Institute Law, for his leadership, coordination, and dedicated efforts that shaped this event.
Thank you, ma'am.
The beauty of the virtual mode allows us to connect seamlessly with participants and dignitaries from the north, the south, the east, the west. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed judges who are joining us online to evaluate the round from across India. Thank you for giving us valuable time and contributing your expertise to MCC 2025. We thank all team participating across India as highlighted in the beginning by Dr. Bairagi. 32 teams from reputed law institute and universities from Maharashtra, Haryana, Punjab, Bangalore, Jabalpur, Nasik, Bhopal, Indore, and many more are participating this year. Your presence adds great value to this platform. Now, I would like to offer a special heartfelt acknowledgement to our faculty coordinator, Professor Nandini Banso and Professor Akanksha Surana. Their steady support, meticulous coordination, and dedicated involvement have greatly contributed to the successful beginning. I proudly recognize the energy, discipline, and enthusiasm of our student coordinators, Avant Mishra, Vaishnavi Sharma, Mansi Tiwari, Shreyansi Yadav, Muskan Mewada, Anushka Parekh, Anshika, Himanshu, and Yasodhara Panchal. Your efforts have added momentum to this event. I now extend my appreciation to all the staff members, our technical team, and every hand working tirelessly behind the scenes. Your contribution ensured the smooth conduct of the ceremony. As we move ahead to the preliminary rounds, quarterfinals, semifinals, and ultimately the grand final rounds, I look forward to commendable performance from all participating teams. May this moot court competition sharpen your advocacy, enhance your research skill, and strengthen your commitment to justice. And I would like to conclude with a thought that truly reflects the spirit of this competition. Mooting is not just about winning the argument, as Madam already told, Vinita ma'am already told. It is about learning to think with clarity and speak with conviction. Debate with dignity, argue with logic, and always let truth be your strongest evidence. Thank you once again and happy mooting to all. Thank you once again. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. As we move toward the conclusion of this inaugural ceremony, I request all attendees to kindly rise for the national anthem of India. Let us honor our nation with the dignity and pride. Technical team, kindly play national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you everyone for your gracious participation. We wish all participants a meaningful, enriching and competitive moot court experience ahead. The competition will proceed as per the schedule agenda. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinita ma'am, for giving us
Thank
time,
you so much.
your precious time. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much to all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Namaskar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Namaskar. Namaskar.